Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Gemini CLI versus Claude Code, which is better AI coding assistant. When comparing Gemini and Claude Code, the choice really depends on your workflow and priorities. Gemini CLI, Google's command line tool for Gemini models, is perfect for developers working in DevOps or the Google Cloud ecosystem. It's fast, highly responsive, and excels in handling system commands, file structures, and even long context tasks when paired with Gemini 1.5 Pro, though it's still early in adoption and lacks deep IDE integrations. On the other hand, Cloud Code shines when it comes to repository-wide reasoning, clear explanations, and teaching-oriented support. It integrates easily with IDEs, reads entire code bases, and makes debugging or refactoring as simple as plain English prompt. While it can be slower and sometimes over detailed, it's unmatched for learning and large scale code reviews. So if you thrive in the terminal and need raw performance, Gemini CLI is your pick. But if clarity, collaboration, and deep understanding matter most, Cloud Code takes the crown. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.